Right, that's the new tail, fin, whatever we want to call it. Oh, that doesn't want to lift up. You can see the state of the rest of the room. We can see the floor. Anyway, we'll see if that's any good later on. We've just got home very late. It's coming up to 4 o'clock. So we'll look at that later on. See if it works. Okay, let's see if it fits. It's significantly smaller than the original, but I'm not particularly worried about that. I want something that's functional before we start worrying about trying to make it look the same as it was before. Right, even though I've printed this on the highest quality and it looks fine on this side, the top's a bit rough. I want to try out some thinners on there, see if we can actually smooth that off, but we'll do that later. First thing we want to do is see if it actually works. We'll see if it breaks too easily, because we've still got the layers going across, which means we've got a weak point where it joins together. So there's our little whale tail, as I'm calling it. Right, that works. Yeah, I might just try, I've got some cellulose thinners. Haven't tried that on the PLA before, so I'll give it a little try. It will stink a bit, so I'll go outside and do it. Well, I made that about 16 metres. Obviously not a perfect place to run it. Got a bit of a slope off to that side, which is why it's going into the fence. That'll do though, that works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.